Hello, welcome to Tajiria's channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a monkey fist key knob chain. I'm going to use a paracord thread that is about 8 feet long, and I have here a bead ball that is size 12 mm. We are going to make it just using our hands, nothing. You can try it on. Okay, I'm going to use my 3 fingers. You can see from the index to the wedding ring finger. I'm going to rotate this paracord 3 times. Okay, first, when we are starting, you leave a small space before you start the rope, just in case we are going to use the space later. Okay, we are going to roll or to turn the cord 3 times around the 3 fingers. You can see here. Making sure it's a bit flexible, because we are going to remove the middle finger. Okay, these are the 3 turns. Now let's remove the middle finger, make that space. Okay, we are going now to turn it from upward downwards design. I'm going to rotate it like this. It's so simple. You are just going to rotate 3 times. Okay. Here it is. Let's see. Yes, that's 3 times. Okay, after making the 3 turns, now we are going to put the ball in between the cord like that. I hope you can see it clearly. The ball is going to be in between. Now we are going to continue. Okay, after the cord is three rounds in every side, it's going to get in between this side, then it will rotate to come through the other side. We're just going to rotate it 3 rounds again. Here it is. Another round until there are 3 rounds, right? Another one. Okay, here it is. Okay, if you have your cord, if you have your work, you can see it's 3. So you have 1, 2, 3. The other side 3. Here it's going to be 3. Yeah, 3. Okay, after that our work is going to tighten the cord. Let us tighten this. Okay, you can start from anywhere you like to tighten the cord, but it's good when we start with the shorter cord. Here. Okay, I hope everyone has managed to tighten their knob. This is the results of mine. You can see it's simple, classy. Now we are going to do the finish. The last part, we are going to finish with the design, the snake knot design. This is my ring. I'm going to pass the 2 cords here. Leave a small, okay, something like a 4-finger size, the distance between the knob and the ring, so we can tie we can make the snake knot design. To make a snake knot, okay, I have done a video already, you can check. But to make a snake knot, you take 1 strand, make a knot to go the other side, okay, behind. Okay, the remaining strand, you take it to go behind both the cords, come in front, then to go through the loop that we have created first. We are going to repeat the same thing. You create a loop, then this strand will go behind both the cords, come in front, then you pass through the loop and tighten the cord again. You see, we repeat the same scenario. Tighten, make another loop, repeat the same process again, then you tighten. Again, you do the same thing. Tighten. You can see here it is, very simple. Plus now we are going to cut the remaining cord part. Okay, here it is. This is a monkey fist knob keyring, finished with snake knot design. Thank you for watching. We are going to upload more videos, at least about 3 videos in a week. I'm inviting all of you to subscribe